Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp unable to initiate call. Try again later on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your WhatsApp is not able to initiate the call, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or you have to try to enable your airplane mode, then briefly disable it after 5 or 10 seconds. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, then wait for your phone connect to Wi-Fi or your cellular, then open up your settings. In settings, go for general, then go for VPN and device management. And here you have to make sure that your phone is not connected to any VPN. And once you have checked, you have to simply go back. And here you have to open up your general section again. Then go for iPhone storage. Then go scroll down and you have to look for WhatsApp, and here you have to select the offload WhatsApp app. Once you have selected the offload, you will get the restore option here. So you must have to tap on the restore or reinstall app, and after your app is installed, you can easily make calls on your phone. But you have to keep in mind that your time is fixed, so you have to open up your general, then look for date and time option, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled the set automatically option, and you have selected the correct time zone from here. And once you have checked, you have to select the time zone, and you have to, after selecting time zone, you have to enable set automatically, and it will set your time or date automatically. And once your app is reinstalled on your phone, you can easily make calls. So that's how you can easily fix WhatsApp unable to initiate calls. Try again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.